Thanks for joining me in this video today. Today in this video we're redoing the seat from Topsellerie, and then we're wrapping the gas tank. Seat design. Yeah, I have a specific look in my mind. This one-person cafe racer type of look. I found this picture online, similar blue bike as mine with just a seat cover. After brief googling I found Topsellerie that is quite popular, and a lot of examples and pictures are online. They have a great online tool to design your seat as you wish. I ordered sample pieces from them and then made my design and placed the order. However, I was quite disappointed when finally the seat arrived. The design was different. See the seam on the side? That's quite important for the design here. It was different from their pictures and past project photos. It goes across, not down. Also, the seat angle is weird, and the seat was not low as was ordered. The pillion was really thick, especially compared to the standard seat. It just destroys the profile. So I sent it back with notes how to fix it. A disappointment with the seat, and as you can see, the base plate is quite different. Actually, on the original one it's much lighter, it's much thinner, whereas the Topsellerie is much thicker, 2 kilos heavier basically, or the whole seat at least is. It doesn't fit in place. So as you can see on the original seat there's these sort of higher plastic parts where it has been resting on the frame. On this one, actually, see the holes here because I tore off some rubber. There they are. They had these rubber bead parts on top here, and they're pretty thick. Well, so what happens is actually this original seat goes very flush with the frame as it's supposed to. There's like 1 centimeter gap. Well, I took these pieces off so to get it lower down. It's weird how that is. Then what happened was that when I got it down, these hooks here, metal bar on the frame that goes underneath here. So then there's this kind of a gap there. When here it's like really, it's in there. How to solve this issue? So either I could start to grind off some plastic here, and I don't know what to do with these and so on. The second option is that I'll just switch them over. So that's a bit of a disappointment, but yeah, I'm not happy with Topsellerie because it's been taking, it took like the whole thing took probably like 3 months or more. Made the order in something like February and got the seat back in like May or something. And I didn't like the first one, so I sent it back to them. Well, this looks better, but so not good yet. Next, I'm doing the wrapping of the tank. 2080 wrap. I have 3M fine line tape. So this is going to be interesting. Never done a wrapping, and so like many things here, it's the first time to do it, but that's how we learn. There's a first time for everything. I'm trying to get all the dust out from underneath. I've cleaned this surface already with the silicone remover that I had left over from the painting. This is what happened with the wrap. I tore it off. It ripped, and I couldn't get it in place. So that was the practice piece. Unfortunate, just that was the major piece, and I had cut off this small end from that bigger sheet because it was too large. Well, I should have cut more. Should have been more manageable. But a learning experience. So I had this piece left, and I did manage to pull it over the tank, and yeah, it's definitely much smaller than I thought I would be doing, but it's okay. And there it is, and I've now been squeezing it on the tank, and I have the fine line cutting tape underneath there, and now I'm pushing it underneath the edges, trying to get it down. I couldn't get it to go all the way down, however it's sort of underneath and not so visible. What I will do is, from this edge here, I'll take a small piece, and I will try to cover that, and I don't think the seam will be visible. The same problem I have on this side here, even a little bit bigger. Unfortunate, but anyway, that's how it is. But I think the result's going to be good. I think it's going to look great. It really fits on the bike really nicely. That gives sort of like a modern look. Quite nice, quite nice. And with the seat, it's really fits well.